Binibini number 8. This is your question. As I'll repeat the question twice. Ganun ulit sa dati. As Binibining Marinduque, how will you embody faith, service, and unity for the whole province? Bilang Binibining Marinduque, paano mo isa sa buhay ang pananampalataya, paglilingkod, at pagkakaisa para sa buong lalawigan? I'll repeat it again. As Binibining Marinduque, how will you embody faith, service, and unity for the whole province? Bilang Binibining Marinduque, paano mo isa sa buhay ang pananampalataya, paglilingkod, at pagkakaisa para sa buong lalawigan?
As Binibining Marinduque, and as an ambassador of culture and arts, I will launch a 3-step initiative, which is Sining Ugnayan. Sining Ugnayan aims for me to become the bridge to the gap between the government and my community. It aims to support our local artists. It aims to educate and encourage the youth to join community-based workshop, and it aims to include the culture and arts in our tourism and supply chain. And I do believe that I will not just be a voice of Binibining Marinduque, but I will be the voice that will make the voices of my community be heard, and also their needs will be met. And I thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Binibini number 8.